Mayambu ikongno na khurumjari ai gaming tenzing purkhambam Mayambu Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 ge Episode 4 asida taramna okchari. This program is brought to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yaripok Angtha and Impact TV. Hariba ko gi Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 asida punna Manipur pumadagi school kuntarek na saruk yazari school kuntarek asi akoina pool mapan thokna khaidoga pool mapan du da team ahum khaidoga contest tawjabani round 1 round 2 round 3 thokna leijai round 3 da 1 da winner oiraba singduna round 2 da changaga round 3 da winner oirabduna akogi Brainwave Quiz 2019 gi winner haiba mingthona do pigedori maramuduna ngasigi Pool D, have the episode 4 gi. Pool D is the team A, B, C. Amasung mapam is the lenction duna later team A dagi. Akoi Sacred Heart School Yaripok B gi team asina team A. Aduga team B duna S Chauba Memorial School Singjamai B asina team B da lejare aduga team C na KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabok ki students sing sina team C da leiduna ngasigi. Pool D gi members sing adu oiraga ngasigi changdam naba asida saruk yazari. अखोगी क्विज असे हौद्रिङै मांगजौनना अखोई टीम सिंगदगी इसागी मिंग इसागी लेफम अदुगा इसागी स्टैंडर्ड मियाम यंगबिरिमा मियामदा खंगहनबगी तांजादु लौमिनसी टीम ए दगी हौजगे टीम ए
I'm Fadya Prajana. I'm studying in class 8 at Sacred School Yaripok, and I'm representing team A.
I'm Jessica Thangjom, representing Sacred School class 8. I'm representing team A.
Team A gi class 8 ngaktani ko team B gi mu habisi
I am Rahul of class representing team B.
Okay, Rahul.
I am Sabudol of class 10 representing team B.
I am Kangembam Nitish Kumar representing KM Blooming Higher Secondary School. I myself Ningthozam Danaras Maite. I'm from 9th standard and I'm representing KM Blooming Higher Secondary School.
Okay, thank you so much team A B. Amsung sigi introduction P loiraba matungda akoi gi ngasigi episode 4 Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 ge se haunanaba tawjarage quiz contest si round manga thokna leigani ahanba round si general awareness round hanaming thonjai ko general awareness round asigi round akoina account opening hainasu aduma haiba yai adugo round 2 sidana akogi home round haibadi manipur da based of questions sing hangani sina direct questions oigani adugo round 3 dana audio and visual round audio gi round ama adugo visual gi round ama khaka round ani thokna round ahum sida punsilaga round 3 oina lei adugo round 4 dana koi buzzer round asina round 4 mamang da leba buzzer do namaga answer khumgadoini aduga round 5 asina current affairs and IT round manga asi leije aduna hojik team A B amasung C punna ready da lebiyo round 1 ase hoba yaraba yare ko okay so let's get started round 1 general awareness round haiba round asi akoina account opening haina soyai haiba duni maramdi kogi team khudimakta chance ani pigani ko answer khumbagi chance ani pigani question sing se display tawraba matungda madugi option mari khak lejai option mari dodagi apamba option ama khanbiba matamda karigumba ahanba chance aduda chumna khumbirakpa taragadi akoina team aduda point 10 pigani aduga Lanba taragana akoi ani shuba chance amuka hanna second chance ama pirga mana khumrakliba team aduna khumrakliba answer adugi 5 points pigani karigumba chumba taragadi aduga karigumba ani makta lanba taragana next team du da dum magi direct question oina atop question amo oina hangjagani so let's get started round 1 general awareness round option mari leje 1 2 3 and 4 haribo option sing sidagi team duna question do khanbiraba matungda question do aina pathoklaga option sing je hek pablo iba matamda countdown 10 second gi countdown amakat laigani 10 seconds to gi manungda answer do khumbigadabani team aduna haribo round asi team A dagi hojage team A gi question khanbiba yargani question 1 dagi na 4 bho manungda makhanbi
2
question number 2 team A na 2 khanbirai. Your question is, which city is known as Queen of Arabian Sea? Option A, Goa. Option B, Udupi. Option C, Diu. And option D, Cochin.
D.
Option D. Team A na yam atenma matamda D. Hariba answer je kumbire. Duna it is right answer. Duna team A da koi full points ado pigani. Congratulations team A. Team D yam chumna kumbire. Queen of Arabian Sea, Cochin. Okay. Next question goes to Team B. Team B, lemhoriba question ahum sidagi apam khanbi. Question number 1. Team B, question number 1 khanbi rei. Your question is, which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Option A, bromine. Option B, chlorine. Option C, phosphorus. Option D, iron. Option hana. Option B, chlorine. So option B, chlorine haiba si lali aduna ahan bagi chance si Team B na score to bangam dress second chance amuk pizza second chance then your countdown starts now.
C.
C. Okay, C phosphorus. Aduna phosphorus asisu lali manabduna hogagi non-metal science akhoi science ka related oiba question ni ko akhoi non-metals ta have ni metal da hairaga di akhoi liquid ki form da leibse mercury oina leigre aduna non-metal da di option A bromine asi oiga doini aduna the right answer is bromine. So Team B na kumbang ngam khidabagi mathang da akhoi team C da mulak chage team C asi direct questions 3 ga 4 gi manung da makhan
4.
Okay, question number 4. So the question is, where did Gautama Buddha pass away? Option A, Srinagar. Option B, Kapilavastu. Option C, Kushinagar. And option D, Tezpur.
B. Kapilavastu.
B, Kapilavastu. Okay. Lale ko option B is lale duna ahan bagi chance du loi khrabani na second chance amutanga lojage second chance amutanga try tawsi team C.
C.
C. Okay, the C is the right answer. Kushinagar ko. Kushinagar haribo option asina right answer oire adu Kushinagar okay Uttar Pradesh ta leiba Kushinagar du Gautama Buddha ase pass to givani hadi laikhidabani. Okay, round 1 loi khraba matung da mathangi round asidadi yam munna yengbi horo yam munna yengaga handaki round asidadi marks su adu phangba yaba atopada hangba question singchu nasana mark phangba yaba team kudimang na phangba yaba dungba chance ama khakni. Second round home round haiba round asidadi akoi direct question oina hangjagani team kudimakki direct question amamam hangani aduga direct question duda karigumba khumba ngamaga na koide 10 points pigani aduga kaigumba khumba ngamdragana thangnariba team aduda pass tawraga 5 marks allot tawjagani aduna home round hoba yarani ko. Okay, home round asi haunanaba tawrasi. We have 4 options on the screen. Direct question asi team B dagi hojage. Team B, please choose your question.
2.
Okay, question number 2 can be team B na. Let us see. Okay, who was the first female member of Parliament of Manipur? Manipur gi ahamba female member MP kanano na haibani. So your countdown starts now. Countdown sa li aduma khanbi bayai. Okay, time is up. Aduna hariba question chapmana bu question is team C the pass tawjagi team C. Who was the first female member of Parliament of Manipur?
Kim Gangte.
Okay, Kim Gangte. So let us check the answer. So it is right. Kim Gangte na chumi. Kim Gangte na Manipur gi oina ahama member of Parliament ko 1998 ta ihan hana akoi gi pikiba dugumba MP ni aduna mathangi question asidi koi direct question oina team C da dumak lakchage. Team C gi direct question ni please choose your question.
1.
Okay, question number 1. Your question is, who gave the title Brajabashi to Paunam Nawal Singh? Your countdown starts now.
Maharaja Chandrakirti.
Maharaja Chandrakirti. That is wrong. Aduna same question as team A da mu hangjage.
Kekhomba.
Kekhomba. Okay. Right. Team A na chumna khumbira khre aduna team A gi answer hadi Brajabasi koi Pauna Bazar Brasi haina khangnariba adumba khoi gi layoi khraba freedom fighter Manipur gi sigumba si khoi gi Khegomba ko maidingo Khegomba mana mithon adu pibi khibani. Team A ne am chumna khumbi khre mathangi question asidi khoi team A do ina adumak lakcharage. Team A gi direct question ni 3 ga 4 gi manung nam khanbi.
4.
4. Okay, your question is, what is the scientific name of Nongin? Nongin gi scientific name karino. Your countdown starts now.
Srimiticus humi.
Amtaga han haibiyo.
Srimiticus humi.
Okay, Srimiticus humi ko. Chumi haina lawjarage Srimiticus humi haibani ko. Srimiticus humi akogi state bird oina su lairiba nongin sigi scientific name ni aduna team A sida point adum direct allot tawjarage Srimiticus humi. Suna matang asida second round asisu loikibaga maram oina akogi team singi isa gi position kadai de lairibage habdu mayam puna yengminasi the total score of all the teams akoi hojik kanana team A so adumak account open tawkhra yam chumna su khumbire a team A B amasung C ahumakna aduna karam position da kanana kadai de laige habdu mayam puna yengminasi. So team A Sacred Heart School Yaripok B asina lead tawduna 25 points hojimak mogi score adumada leijai aduga team B da S Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai gi B asina hojipok account open tawdabana akoi gi mathangi round da adumak tawbina ba ningsingjari yamuna tabiu aduga team C KM Blooming Higher Secondary School na 10 points phangduna akoi second position da leire. Okay, so second round loi khraba matungda mathangi round asli akoina audio and visual round hariba round aduni yam interesting oiba round ni ahan bada audio round hana tawjagani ko audio round asida akoina option mari khak leijai team kudimakna asa isagi option ama khanbiraga audio akoina play tawrakani audio play tawribaduga mari leinana akoina question ama hangjarakani audio do munna taraba matungda audio duga mari leinaba question ama hangjagani karigumba chumna khumbirba taragadi akoina 10 marks allot tawjagani aduga ngamdragana akoi next team do da pass tawraga chumna khumbirakpa taragadi next team do akoina 5 marks bonus points adu pijagani aduna ready lebiro yariko audio round ase haujarage. So we'll start with team C. So direct question for team C 1 dagina 4 pau manungda question ama khanbir
3.
team C na question number 3 select tawbira e let us hear it out yamuna tabiro.
An often divisive force in our society. If you're tired of arguing with strangers on the internet, try talking with one of them in real life. If you're disappointed by your elected officials, grab a clipboard, get some signatures, and run for office yourself. Show up.
Asiki audio do tabigar matuna your question is takriba audio dugi speaker du kanano haiba masak tao. Who is the speaker of that voice, that speech?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump is wrong. Aduna akogi mathangi team haibadi team A da oina akoi question ase pass tawjage. Who is the speaker?
Pass.
Passed. Team B da mo hangjage team B da laksarage. Team B, who is the speaker of the speech?
Sorry.
Okay. Hojiki team A B amasung C ahumagna question adu khumba ngamki dabana akoigi magi right answer si kanano hamdan the former US President Mr. Barack Obama ko mahaki voice ni akoina tagel magi speech amakaki voice ni aduna mathangi question asidi team A do ina lakcharge team A gi direct question ni ko team A please choose your question. 2 hai gi bamale chumbra. Okay, let us hear.
Sounds cool. Hey, do you want to hear this? It's nice.
You want to add something more?
Okay, hojik ta kiba audio adu akoina default tone amakakni tone ko yam signature oiba default tone amakakni adugi default tone adugi network operator adugi maming tao. What is the name of the network operator of that default tone?
Pass.
Okay, team A na pass tau promatung na team B da muk chance to pizza get team B. Same question goes to you. Your countdown starts now.
Pass.
Okay, team B su pass tau bira E aduna team C na kumbigani team C
Vodafone.
Vodafone is not the right answer. Aziki default tone network operator dugi maming Airtel ni. Oh, Airtel ni. Adana yamna common su oiba yamna su famous oiba du makak network operator amakak ni. Aduna mathangi question asidi akhoi team B do ina lakcharage team B gi direct question ni team B. Please choose your question.
1.
1. Okay. Yes. How's it Tagriba, Mayamna Tagriba audio adu Manipur music video album Amakaktagi Niko Adugi Shai Adugi singer adu kana kana. Who is the singer of the music video album?
Pass.
Okay, team B na pass to bigger team C.
Sorry, pass.
Okay, the question goes to team A.
Sorry.
Okay, team A, B, amasung C ahumak na kumbangam kidre aduna. The song is from a music video album called Yabiro aduga singer aduna guitar ni Ramachari Mariumga koi Richard Laishram hairiba koi gi khaba amasung somana ek tawkiba ko adugumba ise Yabiro hairiba ise aduni. Okay, that is all for the audio round. Aduna mathangi round asidi koina visual round oina la visual round asida photo natragana video amakak थाजरकनी कोइना फोटो गा वीडियो दुगी मतुंग इन्ना क्वेश्चन लाइरिबा क्वेश्चन अदुगी आंसर तो 10 सेकंड्स मनुंग द पिगनी को अदना रेडी लेबिरो मथंगी क्वेश्चन से को टीम सी दो इना डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन लाक्चरगे टीम सी प्लीज चूज योर क्वेश्चन 3 चूज तो बिरे टीम सी लेट अस सी ओके पीरिबा विजुअल असिदा योर क्वेश्चन इज आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट visual da koi object ama khak utli countdown pibirakani visual asigi object ama khak utli basi what is the object?
Ram. Ram.
Ram. Okay, so Ram gi full form gum
Random access memory.
okay, right, random access memory RAM hairiba koi computer gi gadget chip ama khak ni ko adugi visual duni hojik yam chumna khumbi team C na mathangi question ase team A da lakchage please choose your question
1.
question number 1 choose to bira A visual the piriba ase logo amakhak ni adana logo ase bu identify to bio identify the logo please start the countdown time is up. And then the question is passed on to team B.
Pass.
Okay, team B nusu passed to be team C.
Sorry.
Okay, so team A, B, C ahumak khang kidam na the logo is of ISRO haiba ko Indian Space Research Organization haiba organization adugi logo ni ko. So the next question is for team B. It is a direct question for team B. Team B question number can be gani 2 ga 4 manung da
4.
question number 4 the visual amakak ni visual jam ni pick up visual ase akogi movie amakak tagini ko movie adugi title maming habi movie title the title of the
Endgame.
mutong han habi
Endgame.
Endgame. Okay, it is not the right answer. I'm so sorry to tell you. Team C passed out again.
Avengers Infinity Wars.
Avengers Infinity War. Okay, that is the correct answer. Do Team C the koi bonus point. Ado pizza gani Team C ni am chumna kunbire. Avengers Infinity War is the name of the title. Round 3 loi khraba matung da koi hojik Team A, B amasung C ge position mayam putna khangminasi team A B amasung C yam phajana tawbiki yam phajana score tawbikre aduna answer su yam phajan khumbire e adubu kanana first second third lady bage haibado yam putna khangminasi. Okay, so we have the score on the screen. Team B is still finding it hard to open the account. Aduna team B asina hojik po 0 da lairi aduga team A amasung team C na hojik 25 points phangduna chap manaba score da draw chatlaga manana chatli aduna mathangi round akoi buzzer round ga current affairs amasung IT round asida team B su adugu ninghanadana hai tare akoi gi points yamna pukhatpa yaba area yam lairi aduna yam phajana munna tabiraga hokminasi round 4 asi makha chatha jingai mangjauna na akoi viewers mayam da atemba break am khak laujage. We'll be right back. Mayamu break ki matungda amuka hana taramna okchari adomna yengbiriba asi Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 ge episode 4 ni hariba team A B amasung C. Team A dagi akoi Sacred Heart School Yaripok B gi team na team A da leijari team B dana S Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai B aduga team C dana KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabo asina team C da leijari. Score ge position A ga B 25 points chap manana lairi aduga team B na hojipo account open tawduna 0 da lairi position si aduna hojiki mathang da lakadoriba fourth round buzzer round quite interesting oiba round ama khakni ko isa isa gi table mang da lairiba buzzer adu aduda khut thambiraga ngairaga leibiro maramdi akoina hangjar ko doriba question sing ase yam rapid oiba yam thuna khumhogadaba adugumba answer ama khakni direct question laite question se team khudimak tani akhang baduna hana khumhobaduni aduga akoi question mari khak laijai question mari se pulap pathok charakani akhang baduna team duna hana nambiraga answer do khumbirakani aduga karigumba chumba taragadi 10 marks point allot tawjagani team aduda aduga karigumba lalamba taragana -5 negative marks lei aduna yam section na nambi batare aduga rule ama khakna akoina team duna answer do khang hana buzzer do namgraba matungda khallaga leiba adudi yade ai khallaga leiraga time lapse kitang leigiba taragadi akoi mathangi team habide akoi gi second namgiba team do chance pijagani yarne ko aduna team khudimak ABC ready leibiraba buzzer round se hoba yare ko so please get ready. Let us start the buzzer round, the fourth round of the quiz. Direct question khatani question number 1 2 3 and 4 aina question se hek pathokpa loiba matamda paba loijingai dadi buzzer nambirak pa yade ko paba hek loiba matamda buzzer adu nambiu aduga first team to score the buzzer will answer the question. So let us start with question number 2. We have the question on the screen. Which crop is known as golden fiber? Okay, team A.
Cotton.
Cotton. Okay, I'm very sorry, but cotton is not the right answer. Aduna question asi pass laitabana maram oiduna masigi correct answer is jute ni. Aduna team A gi answer lan ki maram oiduna negative marks oina chatkani. Mathangi question da mukla asi ready the lebiyo dani am alert oina lebiyo. Mathangi question is question number 1 oina lokat chage. Question number 1 we have on screen. Which bacteria is responsible for the formation of curd? Okay, team A once again.
Lactobacillus.
Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus acidophilus haibani ko haiba bacteria asina akoi ki fermentation ki process asi chatharaba matungda curd adi akoina yogurt hainarise mayam da yogurt hainaba curd asigi formation adu tawbani aduna team A duda dumak point adu pijage aduga yaragadi akoi answer singse complete oina haibinaba ningsingjari ko. Mathangi question ani leire adum team kudimak alert oina leibiu. Mathangi question asi question number 3 lokot chage. Question number 3. So give a word where all the vowel letters are found. Akangba team ama hekta khumbirak pa yai. Buzzer nambiraga khumbirak pa yai. Letter vowel letter khudimak yawba word ama kak lai madugi word to kaino. Okay. Team B have you?
Mozambique.
Mozambique. Okay. So that is right answer. Adu spelling amtang tawbiramo isana. Vowel.
MONZAMPIQUE.
Okay, chume. Right. So team B we have scored the buzzer round adugi point adu koi team B do ina pizari aduna yam chumna khumbirei. So next question, the last question for the buzzer round is question number 4. The question is, Kolkata is located on which river? Kolkata haiba city asi karamba river the locate toge karamba river na phawraga chatke haibani. Okay, akhoi khangde hena lawjarage yaraba team A, B amasung C. So the right answer is River Hooghly. River Hooghly hariba Kolkata si River Hooghly to the locate tawi ko. Aduna that was all for the buzzer round, the 4th round. So 4th round buzzer round loi khraba matung the team gi position team A na lead tawduna Sacred Heart School Yaripok B na 30 points score tawraga mayam dagi lead tawraga chatli. Team B na 3rd position da S Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai B gi team sina 10 points the 3rd position da lairi aduga team C na 2nd position da 25 points asilor KM Blooming Higher Secondary School khangbo ki students singna adu 4th round se loi gre hojik 4th round se loi gre matung da isa isa gi position je khangbi rabanina hojik 5th round asida di akoi adudagi hena kyamu score tawraga akoi ngasi gi episode asigi winner ngasi gi pool D asigi winner oiba ngamgani haibado adu ma khangbi ramgani aduna yam section na laibiro 5th round asi with current affairs and IT round haiba round aduni haiba round asida akoina yamba current affairs amasung IT ga related oiba technology ga related oiba questions sing hangjagani questions sing se direct question oigani team khudimakta team khudimakki direct question oibana akoina team duna karigumba khumbirakpa taragadi akoi 10 marks team du da pijagani aduga passed on question kumbangam dana atopa team da pass tawkibaduna same as before bonus 5 marks pijagani aduna team khudimakki direct question amamam phangaba matungda last akoigi score kya leire habdu yenga sigi winner adu puna khangmina gadoini aduna ready laibiro round asi hauna number tawrosi current affairs and IT round. We have the questions 4 questions 4 option thamjai koi ko around 5 asigi team A dagi hojage team A gi direct question team A please choose your question.
2.
Question number 2 can be A team A na. Question D, who is the present railway minister of India? Your countdown starts now.
Piyush Goyal.
Piyush Goyal. Okay, time kitang khak ngai ramak da achumba answer do pibirakhi aduna team A scores the direct question mark for the question number 2, that is Piyush Goyal. Yam chumna khumbirakre aduga mathangi question is de koi team B da lakchage team B gi direct question choose to begini.
1.
Question number 1 choose to be. Your question is, what is the name of the first computer virus? Computer virus ahanba computer virus adugi maming tau. Your countdown starts now.
Pass.
Pass. Okay.
Creeper virus.
B. Team C.
Creeper virus.
Creeper virus. Yam chumna kumbire ngasai khangaga leiba mali aduna answer khumna na bangairaga ngasai dagi leigo team C si aduna creeper virus akogi masam tonda self replicate tobungamba ko virus ni akogi computer gi virus makhala makhangni first computer virus ni aduna mathangi akogi question asisu team C da dumak laksage team C gi direct question ni 3 and 4 gi manung da khanbiro
4.
Okay, 4. The question is, what is the full form of DBMS in computer science? DBMS haiba computer science asigi yauriba short form asigi full form hayo haibani. Your countdown starts now. Okay, your time is up. And chak manaba question asi team A da pass tawjage team A.
Database management system.
Okay, database management system. So So let us check your answer. The answer is correct. Database Management System DBMS akoigi computer manungda data leriba mayam asi manage tauba adugumba software operator amakhakni ko software system amakhakni am chumna khumbire team A na. So the bonus mark for team A. Round 5 asi matang asida loire aduna loisinjabuga matung inna akoigi team A B amasung C round 5 asida yam phajana mak performance PB ki aduna lastly akoi score adu karamba team na kari phibam da laibage habdu mayam punna yengminasi score adugi matung inna ngasigi episode 4 gi pool D asigi winner oigadorini team A da Sacred Heart School Yaripok B, team B da S Chawwa Memorial English School Singjamai B, and team C da KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabok. So we have the score on the screen. Third position da team B S Chawwa Memorial English School Singjamai B gi team na third position da lairi aduga second position da team C KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabok na team C da lai aduga the winner of today's episode pool D gi winner the team A habdi Sacred Heart School Yaripok B asina winner oiduna handaki ngasi episode asigi winner aduma oikre aduna mathangi second round the team A qualify tawre aduna team B amasung team C ke suning hanangai leitana ninghanaba leitana next season da so aduma laga saruk yabiu aduga aduma performance aduma fajaki aduna kai suning hanaba leitana hai tare ko pasana adum yaumina se yam fajaba performance PB ke thank you so much for coming here and joining our contest matang asida Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 episode 4. So Loshinjari, we have a winner team A that is Sacred Heart School Yaripok B. Mayam punna matangi episode ngai minabo oina matangi second round phauba aduga third round gi matung the winner kanana oigadoge hadu mayam punna yengminasi. This is Tenzing Pulkambam signing off and you're watching Impact TV.